All right, guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and we got the E36 back on. We're gonna do the lightweight wing here, and then also we're gonna change the taillights. So these are the American style taillights, and we got the, I guess you call these the Euro ones that get rid of your turning indicator. So let's go ahead and swap these out, and then we got to figure out how to drill the holes for this, which I haven't quite figured out. We got to transfer from here and into the trunk and get it straight and all that good stuff. So let's do taillights first.
Who are you showing? The camera?
No, you.
Oh.
Alright, so I'm going to have you on one of these sides. You see this line where you line this up at the trunk between anywhere between like there and somewhere in between here. While we're kind of have to send them down at the same time. But we should be fine if you hold it up a little bit. If you look, the screws are in there, kind of up a little bit, and they'll both kind of come down, and as soon as we kind of like, then we'll have to push down and really give it a solid. But we'll kind of both have to work together to get it where, okay, you got enough over there, and then.
Okay.
What's our toothpaste?
We're gonna try toothpaste first.
Dot to figure out where he's drilling.
Because we're gonna need something that we get out of there that won't stay in there.
I'm sorry, I was looking at toothpaste, not even paying attention.
You gotta look through the camera quick.
Well, I was just so shocked to see my toothpaste.
Don't worry, I brought Ryan's shaving cream, your face mask, and face paint stuff down here for options.
I just feel like I'm super gross.
Well, that's what the Q-tip's for.
It's too much.
Well, don't put that back in there now, because you know he puts his toothbrush on that.
Yeah, he'll be all right.
Here to fuck shit up.
Doing shit and stuff.
And things.
Almost put it back in there.
I bet you did.
It's gonna work, but you know.
If not, there's a blue face paint and black face paint.
3D white, that's good.
This works for like hanging pictures. That's the only reason why I thought
Thanks for
of it.
donating your
My toothpaste.
toothpaste.
No problem.
All right. This is the important part, Jessica.
Okay.
Try and keep it up
Until
until
You get it lined up.
so you can use this back edge against the trunk and it tipped up so you get it to where you think it's good.
you want that?
Yeah. Keep it against the trunk. This little lip back here kind of push it forward.
I feel like I have a lot more on this side than you want. Yep.
Good. start. 1, 2, 3. That's pretty good.
Concept works.
What do you know?
Yeah, we just gotta, I guess, drill right in the middle of those.
Owie.
Ooh.
Say something, Eric.
Well,
You give us some kind words.
Because if it's not lined up, then well,
Then it's not lined up.
it's Jessica's fault.
Oh.
Well, Jessica did mention taking a quick measurement.
I sure did.
Yeah, but how are we gonna?
Didn't catch that on camera.
No.
Could measure it, but you know.
Your hands gonna smell good. Like
Minty fresh.
experiment.
I know your breath is on. It fits through, but we'll have to clearance this out a little bit. That works decent on that one.
It's kind of loose, isn't it?
Well, I want them kind of loose so that we can adjust it and then tighten it. And it should go.
Jessica, is that true? Were you mad you weren't in his top 8 on MySpace?
I was in his top 8 on MySpace. What are you talking about?
Let's see, I'll have to get a Dremel out. You can see here. This inner piece where they happen to fall, we'll have to like cut this out so we can.
Oh. Yeah.
I'll have to cut this out so that the head of the bolt can actually sit there. I didn't.
Nicely.
Yeah. I didn't see any of the other ones I looked at that were kind of like this, but.
I mean, just take up some room.
There's only one vacant space left.
Yeah, it'll fit.
Maybe can you actually hear? Are they gonna be able to hear me bouncing the ball?
Yeah,
Sure.
sure.
Why didn't you tell me not to bounce the ball, you fucking idiot?
Go on the other side.
Because we're all super nice.
Take
Where's the other screw at?
Just hold it there for a second. Is this not the right?
Here at the Celebrity All-Star game, you guys are just letting me do it.
Well, you know. The viewers will know who sucks.
Yeah.
That guy Ben.
Guy Ben comes over one time while they're filming.
One over.
I'll never be welcome at the house again, just ruining every video.
Stretch her out a little bit.
Nate comes towards me. Hell yeah.
That's good. It doesn't. Oh, yeah, it lines up perfect.
Yay me.
You got another screw?
That one looks pretty perfect over there.
Hmm?
Those aren't going to fit. We'll have to trim more, but it is at least.
What are you trimming?
That inside, like we showed you before, I'll have to trim that so we get the head of the bolt in.
Oh,
Plus,
okay.
probably have to trim this one a little bit too. Maybe. I don't know.
Up here, that's it.
Damn.
I've got 240 over here.
So.
Do you? What kind?
72. So is this like plus 5 horsepower, or what's up with that?
This is more like 25.
25?
Yeah.
Is it because it's a double spoiler?
Yes.
Wow.
I mean, I thought that was obvious.
Well, I mean, yeah.
But I guess to a non-car guy like you.
Oh yeah.
Us mere mortals.
Hey, let's take a look at his shoes.
Hey
My camel toes.
Why are you like this?
Remember what you're supposed to say? When he asks you why you're like this?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
The molestation.
No! That's not what you're supposed to say.
What?
You're supposed to say because you're like that.
You're like that. That's why I'm like this.
I think this will fit pretty good. Pretty happy with the fitment.
This is actually surprising.
So,
Good.
let's. I'll break out the Dremel those out and try and get it fully secure, and then we'll put 2 seals on it. All right, tail lights are both in, and wing is mounted. It took me a little bit to get everything perfect, but got them screwed in. I'll throw a little bit of, so we'll get that cleaned up there. And then same thing, if that would ever focus, on this side, there and there. And it looks like if you go around, the fitment, it's really good all the way around. Even there, that's kind of the way it is, but it lines up pretty good around there. I'll take the tape off. We gotta put some seals under it so it doesn't leak, but it's pretty even both sides. Taillights look good. So there you have it for the back part. Next part, we'll be doing something down the side and then maybe on the bottom there. So hope you guys enjoyed this quick one of throwing the LTW wing on there and the new taillights. And we'll be back with this some more in what I'd say probably 2 weeks. Maybe the S13 will jump in a little bit. We'll see. But that's it for now. Appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.